Hello and welcome to Esri Australia's screen share video tutorial on creating boundary outlines of your locations without the need for shapefiles. Firstly, we're going to head to ArcGIS Online and open your account. From here, we're going to select Map. This tutorial does work on existing maps that you have already created, but for this example, I'm just using a fresh map. For this example, I will be using Brisbane as my location, but again, these steps can be applied to anywhere in the world and any project you are working on. Firstly, I'm going to head over to the Add button and go Search for Layers. Using the drop-down, I'm going to go from My Content to ArcGIS Online. Now I'm going to search Brisbane Boundary and press Enter. And again, you might want to search world countries boundaries or African country boundaries or whatever area that you're using for your project. Once I've found the layer that is appropriate for what I'm doing, I'm going to add this layer to my map using the little plus button. Once I see that my layer has been added to my map, I'm going to head back to my content page. For this example, I will be using a suburb in Brisbane called Fortitude Valley. In my content, if I hover over my layer, I can see a table icon. I'm going to click that table icon. Now, because I'm searching for my Brisbane suburb, I'm going to look in locality. And I'm going to make sure that I can find Fortitude Valley easily. And so I'm going to organize this category into alphabetical order. I'm going to click the title and sort ascending. This will give me the ability to quickly find the F section for Fortitude Valley. Once I've located Fortitude Valley, I need to have a look down here at the ID, the object ID. The object ID for Fortitude Valley is 108. I'm going to remember that number. Next, what I'm going to do is head back over to my layer. I'm going to hover over my layer and hit the filter button, which sort of looks like a torch or a funnel. This table is then going to pop up. From here, I'm going to choose the features that I want displaying on my map. So I'm going to hit Object ID, because that's what my Fortitude Valley Object ID was located under. And I'm going to select 108, because that was our Object ID for our location. Once I'm happy that I've got the correct terms, I'm going to apply filter. If I close that table now, you can see that the Fortitude Valley outline is the only thing that is being displayed on the screen. For some of you, that might be enough to create the boundary layer that you want. However, I'm going to take this one step further and change the boundary outline so you can see it a little bit more clearly. For this, I'm going to head back over to my layer and hover over the Change Style icon. Press. The attribute that I want to show for this is the location, so I'm going to leave that as it is. What I am going to do is select the Drawing Style Options button. From here, I can head to Symbols and Outline, because it's the outline that I want to change the appearance of. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select a nice bright red so that you can all see it clearly, but you might want to choose any color that's relevant to your project. From here, you can also change the transparency of the outline and the line width. So for this, I'll make it 3 so it's easy to see. I'm going to press OK, OK, and done. And as you can see now, you have a perfect boundary outline for the location that you are dealing with your project without the need for a shapefile. I hope you find this video useful, and thank you for watching.